Hello and welcome to another video by Alice Blue. In this video, we'll learn how to download all the required documents for IT filing from Alice Blue's website. For IT filing, you need the global P&L statement of equity, ledger statement, and the DP holding statement. First, let's start with the global P&L statement of equity. For that, log into the Ant web application, then navigate to the apps at the top right corner. Click on Bot. This will take you to this Bot dashboard. From here, go to Report P&L. Select the desired segment, P&L, symbol if any, start date and the end date. After you have selected all the details, click on this button to filter out the results. Scroll down and click this download button to generate the statement of equity. Next, we need the ledger statement. Click on your profile in the top right corner and find ledger from the drop-down menu. Select a date range and a start date and an end date. Then click on this button to filter out the results. Click on the download button to get your ledger statement. Lastly, we need the DP holding statement. Go over to the report again and click on the trade book this time. Select the desired segment, symbol if any, start date, and the end date. Then click on this button to filter out the results. Scroll down the page below and you will get both the consolidated and the detailed view option. That's it for this video. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.